Today I am going to share with you about my goat farming business. This is my goat farming farm. Here I have more than 80 goats, including Khari breed and Boer breed. This is feeding section, and now this is Jamunapari box for breeding purpose, and here you have Boer box for breeding purpose. We have two kinds of box for breeding purpose, and this is our goat head from inside, and from outside this one. Yeah, I have the fence, and inside look like this. I have separated separately for buck different sector, and for pregnant goats I have different section, and for the other goat I have different section. And here now I'm going to share with you about the grass fodder trees. This is the way, and here I have so many grasses I have, but today I'm showing some grasses. This grass is called Dabdabe, and this one is Khanu. It is very nutritious for the tree. We can get two times in a year from that grass. And this one is Chiosenti. In Nepali, Makaijari we used to call it like maize. And this one Sagun, the goat like much more. And here you have Super Napier, the most important and very fast growing grass is Super Napier. It can be 10 feet long in 60 days, and every 15 days we can get another grass, and this one is Napier CO4. There are many grasses such as Napier CO4, CO3, and Super Napier. There are various kinds of grasses that are very good for goat. It's quite tall, and it's for harvesting grass much easier because we can get much more grasses. And another very delicious food for goat is joint paste. This it has more protein, and here some trees are growing such as bakaino. This bakaino is very good to feed goat, and this is kutmiro in Nepali, and that one is forso and taki koiralo. There are so many grasses. They are very delicious for goat. For goat project, goat farming, we need to plant so many grasses so that we can get more grass to feed our goat. So before planning to have goat, we need to take care of grasses. We need to be ready for feeding. This is most important thing. And the one is Badhar. It is very much delicious for goat, not only goat, for buffalo, cow also. And the Kimbu is also very good grass for goat and other animals. So That's all for today. I will be back with some more videos.